Export customized 1035 Milling Machine 20-day delivery contract. The equipment is mainly suitable for processing door glass hinges, door clips, lock holes, etc. It is a must-have tool for tempering plants to process shower rooms, minimalist doors, and sliding doors. Compared with water jets, it has a lower price and lower consumables costs, almost no maintenance, and is easy to operate and can be taught. Therefore, changing ZXX-E1035 ZXX-E1035 will be the best choice for sliding door customers. Website www.znxxglassmachine.com. WhatsApp, WeChat 861-5588-110989. Email suyala@znxxglassmachine.com.